Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing really well. So in today's video, it is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing and try on. The box is a little bit bigger this month, so I was really excited when I got it in the mail. If you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. It is about $21 and change a month. And you do get about 4 to 5 full-size products majority of the time. Sometimes if the products are super expensive, then sometimes you do get a smaller size, travel size I guess you can say, but it's not really sample size as like the Ipsy bag is. And I've been getting Boxycharm for a couple of months. I do pay for it with my own money, and I think if you love makeup, this is a wonderful subscription to sign up for, just because you get a lot of name brand items monthly and you're always getting new makeup to try without actually going out and buying it full price. Like I said before, you do pay $21 for it, but you always get over $100 worth of makeup in here. So if you want to see what I got in this month's box, keep on watching. Alright, so first I really want to say I'm sorry that I did not upload my December Boxycharm. This is of course January's, and just because with the holidays and everything, which is no excuse, I did not upload my December unboxing and try on. So I did want to just very quickly throw that in this video just to show you what I got. I'm not going to go into depth about any of the products, how much they were, or anything like that. I don't even think I have the card anymore. So I did get the Pretty Vulgar translucent setting powder. It's the Powder Room in 147 Matte About It, and it does come with a little poofy with powder everywhere. I've been using this for a while now, like ever since I got it I've been using it. Another thing that I got is from Cosmetics, and it's the Detox Activated Charcoal Mask, and I did use this once so far. I used it for the full 15 minutes. It did not really dry out my skin. The third product that I got in December is something that I was excited about at first, but then when I saw it I'm like but I did wear it once already and it was pretty, and it wasn't as glittery and crazy as I thought it was going to be. This is the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint from Tarte, and this is what it looks like. It is really pretty, and this is in Insta Famous. I did wear this already and it is more wearable than I actually thought it was, so I don't mind it as much as I thought I would. Something else that I got was from Bodyography, and it is the Heatherberry Lip Pencil. I wore this once by itself and it was, you know, fine, nothing crazy or special about it, but that was something else that I got in my December box. The last thing that I got from December's Boxycharm is the Prestige palette from Suva Beauty, and it's a little dirty. If you can tell, it's been loved. I have used this a few times actually. I'm gonna hold it upside down because of the mirror. The colors that it came with, and I basically dived into all of these colors. I really don't have any complaints about it. So that was that. Alright, so now to fast forward to present time, January's Boxycharm. In the Boxycharm box, you do get a card. There's always a theme that goes with the box. In January's box, it's a boxy and chill. And the card is super cute. It's just like bubbly and happy and cute looking. And then on the back of your card you will have the name brand of the product, a description of the product, and then how much the product is full price. So this is basically how my box was set up. I'm really only going to be trying on 3 of the products out of 5, just because the first product is another Briogeo hair product, which I'm not complaining. I freaking love the other product that we got. I believe it was in November. It was the leave-in hair mask one. I've been using that one ever since I got it and I love it, and it does make my hair super soft. So when I got another product from them, I was excited again. I was like, yes. So this one is the Rosargo Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. It is a smaller size. It is 2 floor ounces. Just this size alone is $12. The other product that I will not be actually trying on is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask. You do get 2. So separately they are $12 each, but together they are of course a value of $24. And this is what they look like. If you don't know Tatcha is a very high-end skincare brand. And so the fact that we got these in our Boxycharm is super exciting, and I don't want to waste these. and I have other videos and stuff to film, and when I wear these, like, I kind of just want to put a mask on, let it do its thing, and then just be barefaced for the rest of the day. And they are sheet masks, so if you like sheet masks, you might like it. If you don't like sheet masks, you might not like it. The first product that I will be trying on for you guys is the Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade, I don't know what this is in the shade. There's no, well, it's just universal, so I guess there is no shade. It looks like it's in the shade medium brown, as you can see. I am a little confused on how a medium to darker brown eyebrow pencil is universal, because not everyone is this shade. And this pencil alone is $18. So when you open it up, it is a wind up pencil. So you do not need to sharpen it, and then you have the spoolie on the other end, which I absolutely love. So I'm just gonna try this on and see if I like it. Let's see. Now for me, I feel like I will get good use out of it just because I do have darker hair, but I do need to do my eyebrows too, so kind of winging it right now. Okay. So it is really, really, really creamy, that's for sure, but it's also like really blendable too. So it's really easy to get a lot of pigment. If you're looking for something with pigment, you might like this, but if you like your pencils to have just a little bit of wax in them, just so that way you're kind of like gluing down your eyebrows at the same time, I guess you can say, then you might not like this. This is just creamy color, like just creamy pigment, but there's really like no wax in it really, so the color's there, but my eyebrows are still like kind of everywhere. You definitely need an eyebrow gel to go along with it and just lock everything in place. Also, if you're going to use a creamy product like this, I would set it with some eyebrow powder or even a eyeshadow that is matte and kind of matches your your eyebrow, that matches your eyebrow shade, so that way the cream product is not slipping and sliding everywhere and eventually your brows are like melting down your face. With some extra assistance with some powder and eyebrow gel, this will be a good product. But if you kind of just want like a one and done product, I don't think this is something that you'll like, but I really don't mind it coming in the box at all. Alright, so another thing that we got, which I was super excited for, it is the Rainforest of the Sea from Tarte. And we just got something last month from Tarte, which is the lip gloss that I showed you, or the lip paint. But this is an eyeshadow palette. It feels heavy and wonderful in the hand, and it is purple, so that is just a plus because I love purple. And this one here is more of like a cool tone palette, which I don't mind because I do have a lot more of warmer tone palettes. So let's just go ahead and create an eyeshadow look with this. So the first color I'm going to dive into is Cove, which is this shade right here. It is more of a lighter transition shade, and it's a little bit more on the matte side compared to the other colors. So the next shade that I'm going to go into is Reef, which is this shade right here. And I'm just going to put that in my crease as well, but just a little bit lower than I did Cove. So next I am going to go into Starfish, which is right here. And I'm just going to use my finger Ooh, it's so creamy. And just, sorry, I don't want to flip you guys off. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid, or on majority of my lid. I'm kind of gonna stay away from the outer corner, just focus it in the middle and inner corner. Then I'm just going to go into the shade Sand, which is this shade right here. And I'm just going to dab a little bit of it and just put it right underneath my brow bone. And as you can see, you can kind of take this eyeshadow palette and use it for just an everyday look, or you can use the darker colors and just darken it up a bit and then get a bolder eye look from it, or you can use it as like a nighttime palette. It's up to you. Some people like bold looks, day or night, doesn't matter, which that's usually me, unless I'm going to work. And then I'm just going to quickly go back into Reef and just touch up a bit. And then I'm actually going to go into Mermaid, which is this shade right here, and just kind of use that in the center. Right, so for my under eye, I am just going to go back into that same color we used on our eye, which is Reef, which is this bronzy brown shade right there. And I'm just going to dab into it with a pencil brush and just go right underneath. And then I'm going to dive back into Coat, which is this color right here, just to kind of soften the line between my skin color and the eyeshadow that I just applied. Just like that. This palette here does go for $36. So the last thing that I got in the box is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. And this does go for $20, and this is in the shade Miami Fever. And it's just like a very warm orangey brown color, if I had to describe it. So this is what the color looks like. The liquid lip went on very smooth, very creamy, and no really complaints from it at all. The smell, it doesn't even have like a really bad strong smell. So this is the final look. I know my full face is not all Boxycharm. Really, it's just my eyebrows, my eyeshadow, and my liquid lip. But together I think it all paired well. So in total, my box for this month was a value of $110 with everything all together. Again, I only paid $21 and change for it, which is an amazing deal. So for the convenience of you guys, I will go ahead and put the link of Boxycharm below, so that way you can just go ahead and click on it. It'll take you right to their site, and that way you can sign up if you're interested. That is everything, guys. If you enjoy these types of videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, as well as comment below. Of course, I would always love to hear from you, as well as don't forget to subscribe and hit the little notification button. That way, of course, you don't miss any of my videos. And don't forget, guys, love yourself without makeup before you love yourself with it. Until next time.